Hey guys, it's Fox Slimes here, and today I'm going to tell you how to make cloud slime and normal fluffy slime. But before we get onto the video, I need to give some shout outs to Wish. I will put her channel in the link down below because she's amazing and she's the bestest friend in the whole entire world, so you guys better go subscribe her or else. So, let's get started.
Such a big threat.
Okay, the first thing you're going to need for cloud slime is Elmer's glue. Or any white glue. So.
Wait, this one isn't going to be sticky, is it?
No. Don't mind Wish as she's talking in the background. Okay.
Oh, all right, y'all.
So you're just gonna.
That's a lot.
Okay, don't tell me what to do. Okay. So you're gonna pour in your Elmer's glue, and you're just gonna mix it. Just kidding. Okay. Then you're gonna take some shaving cream. You can get some from the Dollar Tree because it's super cheap there, and can't get it open. Got him. Okay. So you can add as much as you want. There we go. So I just added that much. So I get a mix. And you don't have to add food coloring if you want to. Like if you want it to be like color, well, you can. But I want mine to be like snow. So yeah. Okay. And then you're going to take your activator. So your activator is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of warm water. And you're just gonna pour in a tiny bit. I'm using 1/4 of a cup, like 1/4 of a cup. To start off with, actually more. Oops, that was way too much. Okay, don't add that much. You only have to add like a tablespoon, or like a 1/2 of a tablespoon at a time. And so your slime should be forming. And I will be right back to when, I'm just gonna keep on adding activator, and we'll be right back to when our slime is all formed. Okay, once you're done adding all of your activator, it should not stick to the bowl anymore, so you can just take it out of the container, and if it's a little sticky, that's okay, just add a tiny bit of borax.
I mean activator.
Activator, whatever, same thing. And what I like to do before you start kneading it, so like while it's still sticky, clean out your bowl so your mom doesn't kill you for making slime in one of your cereal bowls.
Or breakfast bowls.
Or oatmeal bowls, whatever it's called. And
Totally doesn't have
once your
slime on our
is
fingers
super
at all.
dry,
Nope, no
like,
way.
You can just keep it like this, but I want to make it extra cool. And at this point, I'm not
She
adding
didn't want the
colors, I
green
snow.
dye. Aww.
I want white snow. I'm gonna make the fluffy slime that we're making green. So I added a lot of shaving cream, but it like deflated, so. And it's okay if you overactivate this slime, because it's like, yeah. So let's get on to our fake snow. Okay, so now you're gonna make the fake snow, and I just got this off of Amazon, and it's called
Amazon Prime.
It's called Snow to Go.
Nobody can see it.
Whatever. Okay, so you're just gonna follow the instructions on your instant snow powder, and you're just gonna pour however many scoops it says to put in there. Mine says 4 scoops to 1 cup. Wait, was that 4? I'm just
I
gonna,
think that was 3.
okay,
Yeah,
that's
I
4.
think it should
It was
be-
probably 4. It was probably 5 now.
I think you do four scoops.
Okay. And then it said to 1 cup of water. So I have my cup of water
I'm gonna
right
do a couple
here.
cups of snow. You're talking.
Okay. And you just add it in.
And then it turns into like real snow, so it's really cool.
And then it turns into snow. Magic. Okay.
Okay, sorry about the talking in the background. My sister was excited over the fake snow. And so this is how much it made with 1 cup of water and 4 scoops of that tiny little snow. Okay, then you're going to take your slime, and I would put it out of the bowl, but if you want it less messy, you can keep it in the bowl if you want to. And you're just going to slowly add in the fake snow. And if I missed any steps, just comment down below. Yeah. Ooh, from now on, I should have a question of the day. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, if you want to ask her a question, so like you want to say like, hey, fox slimes, can you do iceberg slime, or can you do fluffy slime, can you do rainbow slime, galaxy slime, then go ahead, comment down below and she'll do
all
it.
of this glue.
You didn't even show it.
Whatever. Okay, and then at this point, you're just going to keep on adding,
As much as snow you want.
yeah, as much instant snow you want. And it's a very messy process because, you know, it's like water. And so it soaks up all the slime. And so,
And you can put as much as snow
I'm going to put this in fast motion so you guys just, like, see that I'm not actually switching it out with another slime.
We'll still show how to make it.
Yeah, it's just going to be, like, faster.
Yeah, I'll do editing.
And it's okay if it gets a little sticky. That's because there's a bunch of water. Oh, and I'm spilling
Okay,
everything.
I'll clean it up.
And then you might need to activate it because it gets really sticky. And my lovely sister is picking it up. Show my face.
Wait, what did you say?
My lovely sister is picking it up.
Thank you.
Yay! Oh yeah, shout out to Isabel. She's like one of my subscribers and she comments on like most of my videos. And Isabel, if you're watching this, thank you so much.
I'm gonna have to do more speed paints for you, aren't I?
Probably.
I already did another one for you. It's on my channel.
Yeah, you guys go check out Wish. She's a...
And you'll put the link in below her channel.
Okay, so you're just gonna...
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Oh. No, okay. Add that to the blooper. Okay.
Blooper. You know I'm recording this, right?
Oops. A beautiful scene.